this is Ray here with Area Pro. I just have a few questions for you guys. As you know, we're just relaunching our product, Tiger Fins, and we're looking to add some more material to it as far as give you some abrasive options. So, of course, we are using fine bronze wool, which is my preferred abrasive product. But I know a lot of guys use other things. So if you have any ideas of what we can add to the product and help you guys out and give you guys what you want, we're thinking non-white scratch pads, and I don't know what else is out there you guys have in mind. Anyway, and if you're interested in the product, just please go on our website, check it out, place an order. We're giving a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you get the product, you don't like it for whatever reason, we'll refund your money. So, but that's just because we're pretty confident in the product, and we believe with the latest. That was loud. We believe with the latest iteration of the design, we've really come a long way from when we first started promoting it back in the spring. So we kind of made it a little bit easier to change your pads out. The cost factor for buying refill pads are a lot cheaper. And I'd imagine, as we develop the product more and get more efficiencies in production and stuff, that those cost factors will come down and we'll bring them back to you guys. So go on the website and check it out. If you have any ideas for us as far as like abrasive materials, let us know and we'll do some experiments and see what works and go from there. Anyway, I'm sitting in traffic now and trying to get to my next job.